Okay, this is how you're going to get started with our learning platform. I go to www.academy.kawaya.ug. Then you can come. If you already have an account, you can log in from here. You can continue with Google, or you can log in with the details. If you don't have, you can open a free account. Okay, we sign up from here. If you have a Google account signed in with your device, you can continue with the Google account. So we've created our account. We can go to home here. Okay, so this is our platform. You can come here to courses. So here are the courses. So far we have one course. Okay, so far we have one course, which is this Introduction to Automotive Electrical Principles. You click the course. Then when you click in, it will give you here the course details, level, the students who are so far taking the course, duration, a brief, and here you can see the curriculum. So we have section 1, section 2, section 3. We have theories and laws of electricity. We have we talk about relays, fuses, resistors, diodes, transistors, and then the last section is about wiring diagrams. Then the very last part is about a quiz. Okay, so this is the name of the instructor, and here are a few reviews. Okay, so we enroll. So you can come here to enroll now to start on the course. Okay, so after enrolling, you'll be redirected to the first lesson. Okay, so you can see your first lesson here. You finished studying everything. Then you can go. Then after the lesson is done, you can click here to complete. Then you say yes. Okay, you can take the class, you watch the video, see the content. Okay, so after you're done, you can complete and say yes. So you continue until all the lessons are done. Then at the final stage, you will see a quiz which has just a few questions that you will answer.